feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Migratory birds find shelter by using innate instincts and environmental cues. They often seek out familiar landscapes like wetlands, forests, and fields that provide food, water, and protection. Natural landmarks, weather patterns, and the Earth's magnetic field play crucial roles in guiding them to these safe resting spots. During flight, they manage their energy efficiently by taking short rest breaks and using favorable winds.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.